Hello, passionate gardener. Welcome back. Today, I'll be sharing how I have grown this huge zucchini or courgette. I am really surprised with the results. You can see my plant is only one plant I have, and there is one big fruit, and it's massive. I never expected it's going to be that big. This is a small plant, and what I did, I planted them in the ground, water them regularly, give mostly organic fertilizer like banana peels or chicken manure. Other thing I did hand pollination. Whenever the male and female flowers start flowering, I take out the male one and use the pollen into the female flower. I use the hand pollination technique to make sure it is a 100% success rate. It is always good to grow multiple plants together so the plant produce enough male flowers along with the female flowers. See, this is a huge one. It's weight close to 2 kg and they are great in taste. I am growing other fruit and vegetables like cucumber, tomatoes, and cucumber also I do the hand pollination like this. Take out the male flowers and use the pollen onto female flowers. This is one of the female flowers I am pollinating at this moment. So similarly I did for the courgette, and that give us more chance that a female going to be transformed to the fruit. With these simple tips, pollinating, water and fertilizer, you can grow fruit and vegetables. Hope you like the video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and like and share your comments. Thanks for watching.